Operation is still in offing. ठीक है ना, it will take some time to conclude. Security forces got specific input regarding the movement of 3 terrorists in this area. Accordingly, cordon was laid off, and it led to the ensuing of encounter here. There was a heavy exchange of fire in which the operation is going on. So far we have observed few bodies of killed terrorists, but it will take some time to sanitize area and conclude this operation. It seems that 3 were holed up, and we are still sanitizing the area, so that seems to be the figure. It will take us some more time to get them identified, because there is a legal procedure to get them identified. Only after that we can divulge you that identity. You must have realized पिछले 48 घंटे में जो security forces have neutralized almost 6 terrorists so far. Affiliation we will divulge only after the identification.